processor. So let's start with. Where'd that box drop? Oh well. Okay, so let's start with this. I've upgraded from the old. Hold on. Again. Back here. From the old. This is a AMD HC 7750. That's a 1 gigabyte. And I've upgraded to a EVGA GeForce 77. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but yeah, but super clock and all that. 2 gigabytes. Yeah, you can look it up. I don't even know where all the fancy tech mumbo jumbo is, but if you guys want to look at it, just look up EVGA GeForce GTX 770 super clock, 2 gigabytes. You'll probably find it. But so we have our old power supply installed. A few months later, it's working still fine. It's a little dusty. Yeah, really dusty. So we got this EVGA GeForce instead of that old little thing. Power supply. The power supply is all messy and everywhere. Well, it's all stuffed into the bay. And then we also got a new processor, even though it doesn't. It looks exact same, just the same heatsink. It's a hold on. It's a AMD FX 8 core, FX 8350. We upgraded from a FX 4100. So this is FX 8350, 4 gigahertz, 8 core. This is our power supply that we did the review on. I was gonna do an unboxing on this, but I didn't. But I was just showing you this whole upgrade. So how it went from to now. Now it's a better computer. And yeah, that's about it. It's been this way. This build has been this way since like October. And this is also giving you an update on how the power supply is going. The power supply still lasting me, has never given me any problems, and neither has the video card or the processor. It was all easy to download and everything. No problems with the GeForce. It works. Good brand, I recommend that. The reason I chose NVIDIA over AMD, the AMD Gigabyte that I was gonna get, was because I don't know, I just wanted to try out the NVIDIA brand, see how they went, and I like the card so far, and I think it's better. Game wise, for gaming, this would be perfect for gaming. It doesn't play top notch, but it plays pretty high. It plays Battlefield on Ultra. PlanetSide 2, it plays it kind of medium high. Is what I would say. It doesn't quite go to Ultra. I mean, if you set it to optimal, they have the option to set to optimal gameplay setting. It just goes medium high. Some other big games like Skyrim. It's older for these cards. It goes all like full settings. And those are on a straight 60 frames, and that's about it. And just regular 1 terabyte, 16 gigabyte RAM. That's all of it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. That's about it, and what it could run. And yeah, Um, if you are looking for a video card, this is a video card to go with. And this power supply is nice and cheap. So if you look up I still have the box somewhere. Never mind. I don't even know where. Oh, this is a cheap power supply, but it lasts you a long time and very strong. The Ultra Professional LSP Lifetime Series Professional LSP 750 has a 750 watt. They come in different watts. This brand or this series LSP comes in different series. So I mean the same series but different wattages. They go, I think, up to 850. But I haven't checked back in a while. But yeah, motherboard, pretty basic motherboard, not really that good. It's a micro. Yeah, that's all I know about it. And it's 1030, 1.3 gigahertz. Let's just say that. Yeah, and Windows 8. And Windows 8, well, they're getting better, but they're just slacking a little bit. But that's all I gotta say. Just this, and showing you an update on what I've upgraded it from the other video that I posted, and I'll put that in the link below if you haven't seen it. For the unboxing of this. I don't have the unboxing on this, but this is the box for you to look forward to if you buy it. But yeah, it has a 3-way slide, and yeah, all these ports, HDMI, DVI, and then yeah, and that's it. Alright, I'll see you guys later.